everybody, it's Nikki B, and I'm back to show you our transfer of the month. Our July 2020 transfer of the month is the Let's Get Lost globe. It's such a cute transfer, and right now with this whole coronavirus situation, we could all use a real vacation. What do you all think? So let's get started. We're going to take this out of the wrapper and get this ready to be fuzzed with our fuzzing cloth. That just gets it so that it's not super sticky when I place this onto the chalkboard surface. And then I'm going to go ahead and get my color stirred up. Today I'm using our Couture Teal, Parakeet, and Bright White to create our globe. Once I get those all stirred up, I'm going to use the multi-tool to go around those fine edges of that globe stand. And of course we know that we pull up all the excess paste because a little bit goes a long way. And then I'm going to pull that up just to make sure that that does not stick to the silk screen while I continue finishing up the globe with the Couture Teal and the Parakeet. And I'm just adding that in, making it look like a normal globe with our hot mess technique is kind of what we call that. And I'm wiping off the excess right now on a tissue, but you're going to see me go back in a few and take that excess and place it into a paint pot so that we don't waste that and use it for another project. So once I'm done getting that transferred over to the pot, I am going to go ahead and blow dry this project, get it nice and dry. And actually what I end up doing off camera is washing that transfer because I want to place it back down over top of this project. I got some of that Couture Teal on the globe stand and I want to just go back over that with the Bright White and get that nice and crisp. And I'm going to cover that all the way over again because you don't want it to look like it's heavier in certain spots than others. So once that's all finished, I decide I want to go ahead and add one of our mini tags to the frame. I am pulling a couple of transfers from our Live Deeply collection. But first I want to take that tag and use some finishing wax to really just cover that surface, make it a really good barrier so that the paste doesn't go too deep into the wood surface. That way sometimes, you know, what happens is you'll make a mistake on the wood, and that will allow you to be able to take that paste off and start that over again without messing up the integrity of the wood. So I'm just using that same paste that we just pulled off. I love it because it's like a really pretty mint color that turned out by those two colors being mixed together. And I'm putting a compass on one side of that mini tag, and then I'm going to use that nautical robe and the word discover, and I'm going to place it on the opposite side of that tag. And then to finish it off, I'm just going to take some green rope that I have from the craft store, and I'm just going to wrap it around my chalkboard frame, and then I'm going to place that tag on there and just kind of make it a cute little accent to this project. I mean, I really think it's perfect, and I can just flip that tag either way and it goes perfectly with that whole Let's Get Lost theme. What do you all think? If you're looking to become a designer like myself and start a business, our Fall/Winter Starter Kit is now available. This is our second largest designer season of the year, and it contains fresh new releases, so don't hesitate to jump on board. You can work your business by selling finished pieces, hosting online workshops and parties, or simply go live and create some amazing personalized decor and DIY gifts, shirts, and more. If you're looking for a hobby or want to make your own personalized items, you can sign up for Club Couture. It's our $19 monthly subscription service that allows you to receive new projects each month. So tell some crafty friends and start the subscription together. To check out all of our products and services, go on over to nikkibcreates.com. My Square shop contains finished items that are ready to ship. You can also find the link to my personal Chalk Couture site and catalog full of amazing products and examples for you to see the variety of ways you can create beautiful pieces that will definitely have people asking where you found such great decor. To enroll, go to nikkibcreates.com. See you all again soon.